Are you struggling with productivity and time management? Introducing the Pomodoro Technique, a game changer in the world of productivity. In this video, we'll explore what the Pomodoro Technique is and how to apply it successfully. But first, let's define the problem. Difficulty staying focused and completing tasks efficiently. Now, picture this. What if there was a simple yet effective way to boost your productivity? That's where the Pomodoro Technique comes in. Developed in the late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo. The technique is named after a tomato-shaped kitchen timer. Here's how it works. Break your work into 25-minute intervals, called Pomodoros. Fully dedicate yourself to the task at hand during each Pomodoro. After each Pomodoro, take a short break of around 5 minutes. Repeat this cycle 4 times, and after completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes. By breaking your work into manageable chunks, the Pomodoro Technique helps to minimize burnout and maximize productivity. Now, let's discuss the benefits of using the Pomodoro Technique. One major benefit is improved focus and concentration. Since you're working in short bursts, you're less likely to get distracted. This technique also helps combat procrastination by providing structure and accountability. Additionally, it enhances your ability to estimate and manage time effectively. Not only does the Pomodoro Technique boost productivity, it also promotes work-life balance. Taking regular breaks improves mental and physical well-being. Now that you understand the basics of the Pomodoro Technique, let's go over some helpful tips for implementation. First, eliminate distractions by putting your phone on silent and closing unnecessary tabs. Establish a dedicated workspace that is conducive to productivity. Set specific goals for each Pomodoro, so you know exactly what you need to accomplish. Make a to-do list before starting each session to stay organized and focused. Keep a Pomodoro log to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Remember, consistency is key. Try to stick to the 25-minute intervals and resist the temptation to extend or shorten them. Lastly, be flexible with your breaks. If you need a longer break to recharge, don't hesitate to take one. In conclusion, the Pomodoro Technique is a powerful tool that can transform your productivity and time management skills. Give it a try and say goodbye to procrastination and hello to increased efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below to let us know your thoughts.